Today's topic is print in Google Earth. Let's continue. Open Google Earth. You can print the screen of Google Earth with map title and legend of the work done. Let's understand. Navigate to the location where you want to do the work and take print. Adding a place mark. Now adding a polygon. Now adding a path. Now click on print icon. You can edit the map title and its description as per your work requirement. You can check and uncheck title and description, legend, scale, compass under the map options. You can adjust the page setup settings. You can save your screen print into PDF. Now you can use this in your presentation and share to anybody via WhatsApp or email. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe for more interesting videos.